Hello loves, good evening and welcome back to my channel again. So for today's video, I am going to share you a leather cup that of course I dress like this already. So because it's a leather, so I must dress like all leathers. So I would like to share you only and I would like to unbox it. And anyway, thank you so much to Gio, the one who sponsored this leather cape. So, leather cup or leather cape? I don't know. So, um, I hope you like this video and let's have a look. How does it look like? And I'm excited to see it. So, this is the second cap that I will have. It's a leather cup. Like when I wear in cosplay, like officer outfit, something like that. And yeah, so let's go and have a look. And how does it look like? So there is it. Um, my friend ordered it from eBay. And for me, because if I order myself, I pay more than what I order. So that's why. So let's have a look how this looks like. And let's have a check. Let's check it. So there is it. A beautiful leather cake produced from Pakistan. So this is it. And it's size 55. So there is it. If you want this a little bit more adjust, you can change by this, by removing this one and change. There is a holes here and you can change it. So this is it. It's inside and it's size 55. I think it's a little bit bigger, but it's okay because there is adjustable. And yeah, it's really nice, really beautiful. Think this, I will fit it first. I will wear my boots and then let's see how this looks. Okay, let's go. First I will put it here, and of course first thing is I have to wear the first thing is we have to wear the boots. Here you are. Let's have a look. Because it's red and black, so I wear red and black too. Maybe for the next time I will wear the light color red because it's actually light color red. This is dark red what I'm wearing. But let's just have a look and try how this fits. And of course, first need a tie from it. Oh, what about we put a red tie so that it looks better? Or what do you think? A red tie is better to use, I suppose. It's a little bit red. This is, I will wear this tie that you don't have to for this. And yeah, I will wear. Here it is. I think that is missing. Here is it. Oh, the tie. The tie went inside. Okay, there is it. So how does it look? And now we can wear this one. It's a little bit bigger, but you have to push it down, more down, or more. So there is it. It's so beautiful. So let me put the coat. And now so here it is. I'm gonna put this on because the other belt is not so good. I think I have to get another. So there is it. So how does it look? So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you all in my next video.